Here is the sign for problem. Okay, we're going to use both hands, and the hand shapes are the same. We're just going to be rotating, okay? So this is the hand shape. All right, so how do we make it? Well, we can start like this. Ring finger, pinky down. Put your thumb in. Now we have like the V's, right? Like in the alphabet, the letters V. Now take those and bend them down, all right? So they look like this. Kind of like the bunny ears went way down here. Now we're going to point them in towards each other. And we're going to have the knuckles, the flat part of the fingers come together. And it's going to go 1, then we're going to twist and do 2. All right, so we have 1, 2. All right, hand shapes again, go like this. Got the V's, bend them forward. Here we go, curve them down. Now we go 1, 2. All right, so we're rotating from the side. 1, 2, problem, problem. From the other side, problem. From the front again, problem. All right, I'll go nice and slow. Let's do it. All right, so we have the knuckles coming together, and then we do it again, twist, and they come together again. Problem. Okay, so let's do it 3 times from the rest position, signing together. Sign with me. Here we go. Problem. 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 Okay, good, good. The hand shapes once again are like the bunny ears that are curved over like that. We have the V's, curve them over, bring them down, and go 1, 2. And just rotate in between. Problem. Problem. Okay, good. We just talked about how to sign problem.